Wealth building in a recession. Strategies for success. Navigating the path to financial prosperity during challenging economic times requires a strategic approach and a mindset geared towards opportunity. Let's explore the essential strategies for success, demystifying the complexities and empowering you on the road to wealth. Number 1. Understanding the economic landscape. In the midst of uncertainty, a profound understanding of the financial landscape becomes a beacon of empowerment. Rather than perceiving a recession as an insurmountable challenge, it should be seen as a unique opportunity for navigation and growth. Delve into the world of indicators and trends, becoming a student of the financial world. Knowledge becomes a powerful tool in these times. It enables you to discern the impact on different sectors and uncover potential areas for growth. Armed with this information, you position yourself not as a passive observer, but as an active participant capable of making informed decisions that pave the way for wealth creation. History attests that those who grasp the intricacies of the economic landscape during downturns emerge not just unscathed but often as architects of their own success. 2. Mindset shift, embracing opportunity. Harnessing the power of a mindset shift during a recession is unlocking a potent tool for success. Rather than fixating on the challenges that economic downturns may present, redirect your focus towards the realm of possibilities. Cultivate a mindset that perceives opportunities where others might only see insurmountable obstacles. It is a known fact that successful individuals leverage economic hardships as a springboard for innovation and exponential growth. This period of uncertainty should be embraced as an opportunity to reassess goals and venture into new, unexplored avenues. The most prosperous among us are those who adeptly view challenges not as roadblocks but as stepping stones to their ultimate success. With the right mindset, adversity becomes a catalyst, propelling you towards unparalleled personal and financial growth. 3. Investment strategies during a recession. When you're dealing with investments during a recession, think of it like navigating a tricky path. The key is to be strategic. Imagine your investments are like a basket of eggs. You wouldn't want to put all of them in one basket, right? That's what diversification is about. Spreading your investments across different types of assets helps reduce the risks. Look at industries like healthcare or technology that tend to do well even when the economy isn't. Choose companies that have a strong history of doing okay during tough times. Also, be patient and think long-term. Recessions don't last forever, so if you make smart investments during these tough times, they could bring you some good returns when things get better. It's like planting seeds that grow into strong trees. 4. Real estate opportunities. When it comes to real estate during a recession, think of it as a goldmine waiting to be discovered, but with a bit of strategy. Property values might go up and down, like a roller coaster, but that's where smart investors see opportunities. Keep an eye out for distressed properties, those in a bit of a fixer-upper state. They often come with a lower price tag, and when the market gets back on its feet, these properties can turn into a goldmine for investors. Another trick is to consider rental properties. When people are unsure about the economy, they often prefer renting instead of buying. So, becoming a landlord during these times can be a smart move. By doing your homework, researching well and thinking long-term, real estate can be an important piece in building your wealth. 5. Entrepreneurship and business ventures. In tough times like a recession, starting your own business could be a good idea. It's a chance to be super creative and spot opportunities that others might miss. Think of it as a time to be your own boss and solve problems in the market. Some of the biggest and coolest companies we know today actually started during economic challenges. This is your moment to be a pioneer, launching something new and innovative. Being an entrepreneur is all about turning challenges into stepping stones for success. So, with dedication and a strong spirit, you can make your business ventures not just survive but thrive, becoming a powerful force for building wealth. Imagine entrepreneurship during a recession as your superhero origin story. It's like discovering your special powers during challenging times. Take this opportunity to think outside the box, finding needs in the market that you can meet. Starting a business or becoming an entrepreneur is like embarking on an exciting adventure. Look for gaps to fill, problems to solve, and see challenges not as roadblocks but as stepping stones toward your success. With dedication and resilience, you can turn your business ventures into a force to be reckoned with, creating not just a business but a pathway to building wealth. Embark on a voyage towards wealth building at braylnavy.com. Join now and kickstart your journey to financial excellence. Subscribe now. 6. Asset protection strategies. Think of asset protection strategies as your castle walls, a safety net around your hard-earned money. Diversifying your investments is like planting different kinds of shields, spreading the risk so that if one falters, the others hold strong. Consider using legal structures like adding extra layers of armor to shield your assets from potential risks. This isn't protection, it's creating a fortress around your wealth. By adopting this strategic approach, you not only keep your existing ones safe, but also set the stage for future growth. In times of economic uncertainty, having a well-thought-out plan for protecting your assets is like having a solid foundation for a long-lasting financial success story. Consider legal structures as the shields and swords, providing an extra layer of defense. This is more than playing defense. It's building a powerful offense too. 7. Negotiation skills for financial transactions. It's more than scoring the best deal. It's creating new opportunities. Imagine financial transactions as a collaboration, aiming for situations where everyone wins. Approach negotiations well prepared, knowing the value you bring, and be open to creative solutions. Successful negotiation isn't solely snagging a lower price, it's building relationships that can open doors to future opportunities. Each negotiation is a chance to showcase your skills, turning transactions into stepping stones toward your financial goals. When it's effective, you're not just making deals, you're crafting pathways to financial success. 8. Crisis management and decision-making. In the midst of a recession, the ability to manage crises and make sound decisions becomes a crucial skill in the wealth-building journey. Think of it as navigating a ship through stormy waters. Stay calm, assess the situation, and make decisions with a clear and focused mind. Embrace challenges as opportunities to showcase your resilience and adaptability. Successful crisis management is about not only surviving the storm but emerging stronger on the other side. Trust your instincts, seek advice when needed, and remember that every decision, even in the toughest times, shapes your path to financial success. In the midst of uncertainty, your ability to make strategic decisions can be the compass guiding you towards prosperity. 9. Insurance planning. In the realm of wealth building during a recession, don't underestimate the power of insurance planning. It's like having a safety net for your rich path. Stop viewing insurance as an expense. See it as an investment in your peace of mind and long-term financial stability. Adequate insurance coverage provides a sense of security for you and your loved ones, ensuring that unforeseen challenges don't hinder your wealth-building journey. Preparing for the unexpected creates a foundation that allows you to navigate uncertainties with confidence, knowing that you're safeguarded against the unknown. Imagine insurance planning as a guardian for your financial well-being. Like a shield, it protects you from unexpected events, ensuring that your journey towards wealth isn't derailed by unforeseen challenges. Instead of viewing insurance as an expense, see it as a strategic investment in your peace of mind. With the right coverage, you create a secure foundation, allowing you to navigate through uncertainties with confidence, knowing that you and your loved ones are shielded from the unknown. 10. Monitoring economic indicators. Think of this as being the captain of your financial ship, navigating with precision. Stay informed and keep a watchful eye on the economic waters. By being aware of economic indicators, you position yourself to make informed decisions that can lead to wealth creation. Consider it as reading the signs and adjusting your course accordingly. In challenging times, your ability to monitor economic indicators becomes your navigation system, helping you sail and find opportunities amid the waves. With knowledge guiding you, you can confidently steer towards financial success. Building wealth during a recession involves overcoming challenges and seizing unique opportunities. By adopting a positive mindset and staying informed, individuals can navigate the economic landscape with confidence. Embracing financial education, strategic debt management, and diversified investments are pivotal steps toward success. Thriving during a recession involves more than just surviving. It's building a resilient financial future. In the path toward wealth, adaptability and a commitment to long-term strategies play key roles. By implementing the outlined strategies, individuals can weather economic storms, emerge stronger, more financially secure, and ready to capitalize on the upturns that follow challenging times. The way to wealth building in a recession is a journey of both resilience and opportunity, where each step taken contributes to a more prosperous future. It's recognizing that in the midst of economic uncertainties, there are possibilities to not only protect one's financial well-being, but also to position oneself for long-term success. Through a combination of smart decision-making, prudent financial practices, and a forward-looking mindset, you can chart a course towards lasting financial security despite the challenges posed by a recession.